The black and my back and my boys do too. And my baby mama trippin' says she need more loot. Every cat beef got a heat on my lap in another.
And today we're here in the studios of OFM. Nana Romeo is in the building, and I tell you, the best drive time show in the city. I tell you, come in the studios, you know. Nana Romeo, what's up?
Oh man,
everything alright?
Respect.
Oh wow. Gyatabuom TV each and every time. www.youtube.com/Gyatabuom TV. Nana Romeo, what is so special about your show?
What makes my show so special is the education part.
That's right.
It's more of education, more of entertainment, more of information, and then so many breaking news in the program. And then one segment I've introduced recently is Time with Osama Ben Ali.
Yeah.
The only bomb thrower on radio. The only professional with no fears.
Nana Romeo, Osama Ben Ali. What's starting the program now? Saying our results in it here.
Oh, I'm out for crap and not in a few. Because I'm 11-year-old boy or company sem. Now oye Iraqian on your gun and you free Iraq. Now so country grassy said you asante henana bikra.
Okay. You know, on Sikafutro, a lot of motivation are on the show. Nana Romeo motivate a man for papa. And was Sikafutro. Nana Romeo, I didn't know Sikafutro, but to me motivate a man for a jump from driver for like I said,
yes, no one said the Akono, and when you did and not Nipa Bra, you left your Yaman Aquaso. It was a Yamania Miasa Nipum. And I normally bring a many petty bonnie because you're lucky a motivation, you're lucky inspiration, and you're part of me plans, and as part of me dedication side of life. No, if I say me impact on Nipa Bravo, I say me cancer now at 20 Pakuma Sunani Patrin who free bonnie. It's a density body and also but in Sri Lankan coupon, and you to me, but a general Hatas and then this Adam.
Okay, and you to me by a general or what's wrong on the Adam at Jediano. Nana Romeo, why interviews baby our program na so but your celebrities bena or me feature will show
so far they just make us make and this is near the auntie papa ya I Ghana how obi your movie pa first no me cantata near the Brafo Yvonne Nelson Bakuma no Ejako Chewa Emilia Brobe why brand you money? Superstars leader from Superstars leader.
That's right. And then I'm a cover OFM.
OFM your radio station by NCH 1 year crying but the AO Kromaro. Meaning say on Yankopon e won normal be on station onya 1 year. Nanso Sabio I said 10 years. The obi ye bi da ane ya wada simamu. Na ye bota ye pan se be se boa na dance ma fa na tuma bafia. Ye se boa ma dance konani. Ye bota ye kese pe si anim se Obuasi nye yi na adwuma mra na maburu ne mrantie ne timamofo ne adwuma nye. Ye to so mienu ye de anitie ebro mo fie. Eno ti ye de adesua ene chekere ebro bi to afam de e onyame na de abedi ha.
Okay, that's Abdul Karim Tanko, Nana Romeo Welewele, and I will take the canon. Keep watching Gyatabuom TV. Hey, Nana Romeo can be viewers from Gyatabuom TV.
Viewers all over Africa, viewers all over Ghana, viewers all over the continent, the whole world. Say, oh, me see Gyatabuom TV. Meaning, one me see great personalities.
That's right.
Watch and keep on watching Gyatabuom TV. Yes, Gyatabuom.
That's it.